checks, we are first. Bullets in first. Pull up and burst, whoa. Yo. Fast car checks, another one.
Not another one?
So we're back again with another banging episode of Fast Car Checks. Today, I've got my Mini Cooper S here. We're going to be doing the first drive in it. I'm going to be doing full sends, a few flybys, and also inviting a few friends down. So yeah, as for the spec list on this car, it's a Mini Cooper S. It's had Cooper S R53 front calipers, EBC grooved front discs, EBC grooved and drilled rear discs, EBC yellow front pads, Hell braided lines front and rear, high temperature brake fluids. All of the above was fitted in 2022. It's got the Sparco point harness seat belts. The tyres are Yokohama Advan ADO RS's. It's been lowered by 30mm all around on Apex springs. New front struts, which was fitted in 2023. And if we're talking about the engine, it's got the 19% supercharger pulley, larger intercooler, cold air induction kit, cooler plugs, catback stainless exhaust system. So yeah, it's had a lot of work done, and I think with these minis, that is pretty much the go-to, what a lot of people go to in terms of when they do start modifying these cars, sorry. So yeah, for me, I'm happy with this. When I first set out for a car and the Mini Cooper S did come up in conversation, it was a case of everything that's done to this car is where I wanted to take it. Wanted something that had been looked after. Yes, this has been on the track, but it's been on the track and it's been looked after by someone that knows what they're doing. So that was the objective when I set out for a track car. And this will be my car that I go around to a lot of the UK circuits. So you guys watching at home, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, because we're going to be doing a lot of awesome track days and taking this around. But with that said, let's go for the first drive in the Mini Cooper S. So yeah man, obviously I've got Jack with me today. Big up bro. Obviously I've got Shan with me today. And yeah, we're just active. Obviously Jack's in the M2, Shannon's in with me. So we have got the M2 out with us today. I thought Jack was going to come in the M5 and we'd get two cars for the price of one video, but I just got to bring this old rusty banger out, innit? It's filthy at the moment, so don't watch nothing. Obviously you can see the skies are grey, it's been dirty. It's been back to Lichfield, so obviously if you've seen the previous video or one of the previous videos, we had a little bit of a problem. It wasn't nothing major, it was just in third gear it had a bit of a misfire. We've resolved that. You can watch that video after this. Make sure you bang that subscribe button as well. So we're just doing a little spin round of the M2, let you guys see it. We'll do a full send in this as well, put it in the video. Pretty much still the same in the last couple of videos. If you haven't seen them and you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll just talk you through the M2. So it's a BMW M2. This one's been tuned by Lichfield Motors. It's around 420 horsepower, I believe. It's got Cobra downpipe. It's also got the panel filter. What else have I done? Forged charge pipes. Got the JR37s on there. Carbon wing mirrors. Carbon boot spoiler. And yeah, like, you know, obviously the Lichfield stickers there give it extra 20 brake horsepower. Those fast car checks there give it another 95 brake horsepower. But yeah, and like I said, obviously to this day, man, I love this car. So yeah man, we're gonna go out now anyway. Yeah man, so we're in the Mini anyway. You know what I mean? Obviously you guys have seen the pulls on it. It's a quick car, like for what how small it is, this car absolutely flies. And as I mentioned as well, I'm not chasing big numbers, I'm chasing the track performance of things. I'm not trying to have a 600 brake horsepower car. If I wanted to do that, that would be the M2. So this is perfect for what I need it for, and it's had all the bits, as I said when I first picked it up, done to it. But yeah man, we just have a little send now. Supercharger, you can just live in the mid-range, which again, that's where most of the torque is. Even now, if I won't do it now, if I slap it in third now. for the little small car that
You know the thing is as well, like, when you're in a smaller car like this, it feels more scary because in your head you're thinking, why the traction's not the same.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Like it's proper low to the ground as well, and if you can kind of feel all the bumps in the road and that. It's mad, bro.
Yeah. It's an experience,
like,
isn't it?
When you're in the M2, you know you're going fast, but it doesn't feel like this feels, if that makes sense. Like you get a crazy pull when you're in the back of your seat, but this is actually a bit scary. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I like fast cars. I like driving fast. You know I'm like driving, but in the passenger seat,
it's a different experience.
I'm not really the best passenger either. I'm more of a driver, so.
I didn't really want something too big to just go tracking around with, because you want to feel like it's pointy, so like, so you know what I mean, just
get on the track and if it gets in the way, I'm just going to shoot out a turtle. Throw a banana.
Mario Kart style.
I mean,
obviously I'm in passenger seat now. It wouldn't be right to bring obviously Shannon out with me, car enthusiast, and not let him have a spin, so you know what I mean, hook and left, innit? You know what I mean, obviously I'm gonna let Shannon have a little blast, do the car review. It's his turn today, he's fast car checks today. So nah, but yeah man, like, you know, we're just gonna go straight left, innit? Because you gotta go to blind bars.
Hit the roundabout.
How you can sit there calm, left here and go down.
Do you know what it is? I trust certain people. Like if I'm in a car with you or Bonnie, I kind of know that I'm alright. You know what I'm saying? Like certain man, I would not feel comfortable. Feels nice.
we have changed over anyway. We're in the M2 now, so yeah, man. You know, I thought, like, obviously to my new subscribers watching this video, I thought I'd give you guys a little taster of the M2 as well. It's just fucking sick, man. Like, just getting out of that and getting back in this. Obviously, this is a brand new car compared to that, but still, it just never. You've obviously got to have a little bit about you to know how to drive them, of course, but yeah, nice. Obviously, we've done the review on the Mini. I'll just give you a little snippet of the M2 for the new subscribers, to the people that maybe haven't seen the car since it's had its third setup. And again, you can just hear the nice throaty sounds of the car, so yeah, man, big up anyway. Like I said, thanks for watching Fast Car Checks. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.